doing a long form vlog, so we'll see how it goes. It's not really like a normal day because one of my classes got canceled. We're nearing the end of the semester, so praise the Lord, I don't have any finals, so it should be pretty chill. So yeah, that's the vibes. Weight training, which is like 30 minutes away. So that's where I'm going right now. I had time to work out, and Loki had a banger workout. Maybe I'll put up my workout, a screenshot of what I did. And then I had English class, which was super chill. We ended like 20 minutes early. So then after that, I had lots of time to get some homework done, so I got some math done. Alex is the bane of my existence. Yay. So now I'm just sitting in my car waiting for weight training to start. It starts in 6 minutes, so I kind of just sit here and wait. Dude, I love working out. Because now I'm like, okay, what am I going to do when I don't have a sport to play? I need like something to work towards, and working out has been that for me. Although eating is the hard part. I really just love working out, and it's really just fulfilled that spot for me. And I really hope that I can just get really buff.
Yeah, boy.
That's kind of what I'm thinking about right now. I'm really hot. Can't see anything, but I'm taking Bentley out. It's so dark out. It's literally getting dark so fast. It's like not even 7 yet. It's kind of crazy town. Okay, so I was kind of thinking about what I want to do with these vlogs. There's a reason why I decided that I want to start vlogging, because I think it could be a good kind of happy medium of all the things that I want to do with this channel. I've been so unsure about what I want to make videos about and what I should talk about, and I've been so unsure about all the things that I want to say and whether I'm actually speaking truth or not, which I think is a valid concern. That's kind of why I haven't posted in such a long time, because I'm kind of overthinking. I loved making the What I Learned Today videos. I think probably not very soon, but in the future I do want to go back to posting daily What I Learned Today videos, because I just thought that was such a good time for learning, and just being able to pinpoint things that I learned each day really, I think, made me more wise. It was just helpful for me, and I think it was helpful for other people too, and also it grew me to 2,000 subscribers. So hopefully my algorithm isn't completely broken. Hopefully there's still some people who want to hear what I have to say. But I was thinking about, how do I want to incorporate all these thoughts that I have in my brain, because I have a lot of thoughts in my brain that I want to share with the world. How can I incorporate that also with other things that I want to make videos about? I kind of just want to experiment with different kinds of videos, so vlogs, kind of video essay type things. I just really want to get back into being consistent. I was trying to kind of categorize how we can figure out, okay, what did I learn today? Because sometimes it can be hard to think of what I learned today. What are some kind of prompts or directions that you could go to figure out, okay, what did I actually learn today, and what can I gather from that? So I made a very simple little chart. That's what it looks like. It just says what I learned today, and then there are kind of global learnings as well as local learnings, but really those can be interchangeable, because a lot of things that you learn in specific situations are more general concepts, and a lot of global learnings that you have can be applied to local concept or local situations, right? And then I have, oh no, something fell. Successes and failures on the global side. So if you're thinking about global learnings, okay, what led me to success? What led me to failure? What can I learn from these failures? What can I learn from these successes? I think are good places to start. And then on the local side, we have do more slash less and what's working. These are just some simple questions that you can ask yourself if you are trying to figure out, okay, what did I actually learn today? Think about, okay, what led me to this success? What led me to this failure? What can I learn from this failure? I think these are good things to share, good things to think about, because I think we just need to think more about our lives, think more about what we're doing, and try to be more intentional with what we're doing. I was thinking more of like the successes, failures for today, and I kind of wrote out, okay, what made today a good day? What made today a bad day? Good day and bad day are kind of arbitrary definitions. I know there are true definitions to that, but in a more general, okay, good day, I kind of just wanted to get like an overview, like off the top of my head, what made today a good day. So I'm going to start with successes because today was just a really good day. I was very productive. I got a lot of school done. I had a really good workout. I was able to hang out with my parents. I had a good time in weight training. It wasn't absolutely depressing. I got a lot of homework done. I actually stayed at my dad's office for a bit to get some homework done. I actually was able to submit the final assignment that I have for one of my college classes, which was huge. So now I just don't need to worry about that anymore. I was able to see my best friend today, even though I always see her on Tuesdays, but it's always nice. I found a new song that's just like a really good song. I don't know, today has just been a really good day. So I was thinking about, okay, what can I learn from these successes, right? What kind of led to these successes? What can I learn from this? The biggest thing that I've been kind of relearning recently is that it is such a privilege to have time. And so I need to make the most of it because this semester has been one of the most unproductive semesters of my life. And I just have not been making the best use of my time because when you have too much time, things can get out of control. I have time to do things, and that is a huge privilege because a lot of people don't. So as a young person who has time, I need to make the most of it, and I want to make the most of it, and I want to be intentional with how I use it because it's not always going to be like this. And there will be a period of time, there will be a point at which I will no longer have time and I will probably not have time for the rest of my life kind of thing, right? So it's a privilege to have time, so make the best use of it. That's something that I've had to relearn myself. And then the other thing that I think most likely contributed to today's success was just praying at the beginning of the day, because I don't do that enough. Just as soon as I wake up, pray and just thank him for another day, right? His mercies are new every morning. Just praying immediately as soon as I wake up. I've been getting a little bit better at that. I've been more conscious of what are the first words that come out of my mouth when I start the day. What are the first words? Because a lot of times I will go a good, 10 minutes maybe without saying any words because I'm just like, getting ready for the day and stuff. I don't need to say anything, although I do talk to myself a lot. But I think just being more conscious of what are the first words that come out of my mouth and trying to think, okay, are they positive or negative? And furthermore, are they, praising God, like praying to him, thanking him, or loving someone, or is it complaining about something, right? Getting mad about something. So being conscious, what are the first words that you say every day, every morning? What are the first words that you say? I think trying to be more intentional about that has been very helpful for me to just get the day started off right. And then we go to the failures. So I was thinking about, okay, why was today a bad day? Like what did I fail at today? And honestly, the biggest thing is that I haven't read my Bible yet, and I haven't really truly spent time with God yet. I was able to, pray through little bits of the day, and I was able to listen to worship music, when I'm driving and walking around and stuff, which is a huge blessing. Listen to worship music because it fills my mind with good things. It's just so much better for me. But I haven't been able to spend like intentional time in the Word, so I still need to do that. That's kind of what made today a failure, which is kind of one of the most important things, or if not the most important thing, right? But it just goes to show, like, the short prayers led me through, right? And I haven't even read my Bible yet today. So what can I learn from that? Prioritize prayer, prioritize reading your Bible, prioritize talking to God, and think of it more as a relationship rather than I'm just trying to get through the do's and don'ts kind of thing, right? So that's what I learned today. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Share in the comments below, what did you learn today? Yeah, I'm going to try to vlog as much as I can, as much as my time allows me to, because I think it is a good use of time. I want to glorify God with this YouTube channel, and I want to make this channel a place for positivity and just learning and thinking more about the world, thinking more about why we're here, thinking more about why we do the things we do, what are the things that we're doing, and the things that we want to do, and things like that. So we'll see where this channel takes me. We'll see where these vlogs take me, where these ideas take me. And I hope that you can, if you are already a viewer, I hope that you can continue through this with me, because I'm excited for where this is gonna go. And if you are a new viewer, then thank you so much. Hopefully you can stick around for more vlogs and other types of videos, because I'm kind of trying to experiment with that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then hit the like button. Share what you learned today. Share what you want to see more of in the comments below. I would love that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, so I kind of just finished editing this vlog that you're watching right now. And I just want to say, like, it's not that good. And I know that. This is the first time I've made a long form vlog for my channel. So I'm sorry that it's not that good. More vlogs are coming, and they will hopefully, Lord willing, be better. So thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Put like a funny emoji in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.